Today, darling, we are talking about Monstera soil mix. Well, I know your Monstera has all the kinds of problems, like black leaves, brown leaves, yellow leaves, and this might be due to bad soil mix. So this video is about how to mix the best soil for your Monsteras to keep them alive, growing, thriving, and with huge leaves. If you've seen my previous video, this is a Monstera that is really struggling, and we are going to make the soil mix for this specific, I would love to say, beauty. When the soil mix will be ready, we are going to go ahead and repot her and check for root rot. So most plant nurseries, maybe they do it in purpose, I don't know why, but they put the Monsteras, they plant the Monsteras with dense soil that does not allow the plant roots to breathe. So the best plant soil for Monsteras will be something that aerates the soil, the water can pass through easily, and then it can dry out completely before the next watering, because Monsteras are really prone to root rot. We are going to use soil, orchid bark, pure orchid bark without any additives, perlite, and charcoal. Now you may say that you cannot find any horticultural charcoal around you, and I will go ahead and say that you can even use aquarium charcoal for your plants. It will do the same. The main key in this soil mix is the perlite. A lot of soil mixes already have some perlite in, but they do not have enough for Monsteras, Aroids, Philodendrons, and etc. plants of this kind. We are going to add charcoal, bark, perlite. If you have asthma or something, it is better to mix perlite when it is wet to avoid all this dust coming up. The soil is just one piece. It is like a rock. Holy moly and all the saints. That is something that I wasn't expecting. Let me take you for a closer look. This here is something that I wasn't expecting. And I really have no clue how we are going to fix this. If your lower leaves get yellow, this might be because the plant is root bound. I don't want to break any roots. Really sad to inform you, but this piece was indeed rotting. We are going to try and propagate it. Water propagation in a vase. Roots, we will pray that they form here. If your Monstera does not have enough leaf fenestrations, this is the holes on the leaves, then this is a sign that the plant is still young or the plant does not get enough sunlight. Yes, Monsteras can handle a bit of sunlight every day, but you need to make them to get used to it. If your Monstera has no sunlight at all, try moving it a few centimeters closer every day to the window till one day it will be able to handle that sunlight.